Hi, I'm Professor Yang, and I direct the Business and the Environment Study Abroad program in Singapore. And I'm here together with Alexis Uden, a Santa Clara Law student who's a former participant, to share with you a little bit about what the course is about and what you might be able to get out of it. Now, the course itself focuses on sustainability, climate change, and other issues that businesses and environmentalists have come to see as defining for our future. In addition to providing a basic introduction to business law and environmental law principles, it's taught by practitioners, law professors in Singapore, and of course experts from industry and government. Now, Alexis, I wonder, what were the things that stuck out most to you about the course?
I enjoyed learning about Singapore's new water system. Since Singapore doesn't have their own source of water, they are now having to transform their old sewer water into drinking water. So we got to go to the new water plant led by government officials, and that experience really stood out to me.
And note what you did with the water.
We drank it.
We drank it. You don't have to drink it. But they're really wonderful experiences. We've had also government officials tell us about interdiction of illegal wildlife trafficking, as well as firms talk about the work that they do on green infrastructure financing, for example. Now, that's the business part. What other things can you experience in Singapore? And Singapore is one of my favorite cities in the world. It's an incredibly fascinating, multi-ethnic, multicultural place where you'll be able to encounter cultures and foods that you would never be able to see here in the United States. If you're a foodie, it's really paradise. One of my plans is to explore a lot of the places that are referenced here in this movie or the book, Crazy Rich Asians. Things like chili crab, but most importantly also the cheapest one Michelin star restaurant in the world, Hawker Chan's Chicken Rice. Alexis, I'm wondering, were there sort of particular things that stuck out to you?
I really loved going to the Marina Bay Sands. It has a great view of all of Singapore, especially at night, and it also has a rooftop pool, which is really awesome. Sentosa Island is also family friendly and a lot of fun.
One other thing to note is the legal externship portion. We have some wonderful placements with law firms in Singapore, as well as in other parts of Southeast Asia. Alexis, you did an externship, didn't you?
Yes, I externed in Hong Kong at a solicitor's firm. I got to work on a wide array of cases, including a criminal case that was in the news at the time.
I hope this gave you a little bit of an introduction and overview of what you might expect. We all hope to see you next summer.